Welcome to Canada, where stunning landscapes and vibrant cities await. Today, we're exploring Niagara Falls, one of the country's most iconic natural wonders, plus other top-rated attractions. Niagara Falls, just over an hour from Toronto, is Canada's crown jewel, dropping 57 meters and drawing millions of visitors annually with its breathtaking beauty. Whether you're standing on the edge of the gorge or taking a boat cruise to the base of the falls, Niagara's power and beauty are undeniable. Beyond the falls, the town of Niagara Falls offers a carnival-like atmosphere on Clifton Hill, packed with family-friendly attractions, restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. For a bird's-eye view, visit Skylon Tower. Enjoy breathtaking panoramas of Niagara Falls and savor a meal in the revolving restaurant with stunning views all around. Don't miss the journey behind the falls, where tunnels take you directly behind the cascading water, offering a unique and thrilling perspective of Niagara's powerful beauty. While Niagara Falls is a must-see, Canada offers a wealth of other incredible destinations to explore. From the majestic Rocky Mountains and turquoise lakes of Banff National Park to the iconic CN Tower in Toronto, the historic charm of Old Quebec, and the vibrant year-round resort of Whistler, there's something for everyone. Discover the beauty of Ottawa's Parliament Hill, the rugged landscapes of Vancouver Island, and the unique polar bear migration in Churchill, Manitoba. Whether you're drawn to the serene beauty of Gros Morne National Park, the dynamic streets of Old Montreal, or the expansive wilderness of Nahana National Park Reserve, Canada's diverse landscapes and attractions promise unforgettable experiences for every traveler. From Niagara Falls to Banff's beauty and Old Quebec's history, Canada offers incredible landscapes for every traveler. Explore more, like, share, and subscribe to Niagara for travel adventures.